Once upon a time in the bustling city of New York, there was a young investor named Alex. With a keen eye for detail and a passion for numbers, Alex embarked on a journey to discover the secret to financial success. The quest was not for the faint of heart. It required courage, patience, and a strategic mind. This is the story of how Alex learned to spot profitable investments and navigate the complex world of finance. Where can you find profitable investments? Profitable investments are like hidden treasures scattered across the financial landscape. They can be found in various markets, from the stock exchange to real estate, and even in emerging technologies. According to Pro Capitas, understanding the types of investment strategies available is the first step in uncovering these gems. Who can benefit from spotting profitable investments? Anyone with a desire to grow their wealth can benefit from spotting profitable investments. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, the ability to identify opportunities can significantly impact your financial future. As quantified strategies suggests, different investment strategies suit varying degrees of risk tolerance and goals. When is the best time to spot profitable investments? Timing is everything. The best time to spot profitable investments is when the market conditions align with your investment strategy. It's not about timing the market, but about having a consistent approach, as highlighted by Bankrate's insights into investment trends and statistics. What strategies can you use to spot profitable investments? There are several strategies to consider. Dollar cost averaging. Investing a fixed sum regularly to average out the cost. Value investing. Seeking undervalued stocks with long-term growth potential. Growth investing. Focusing on companies with high growth prospects. Dividend investing. Choosing companies that pay consistent dividends. Why should you consider spotting profitable investments? Spotting profitable investments is essential for achieving financial success and securing your future. It's about making informed decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. As Statista research on investment behavior worldwide shows, an investor's experience and access to professional advice play crucial roles in their success. In conclusion, Alex's journey taught that spotting profitable investments requires a blend of knowledge, strategy, and timing. By understanding where to look, who can benefit, when to act, what strategies to use, and why it's important, you too can navigate the path to financial success. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and in the world of investing, that step is education and strategic planning.